Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Subject mathematics, topic trigonometry, trigonometric ratios of specific angles geometrically. How to show the different values of these geometrically, how can we show the trigonometric ratios of certain specific angles, usually 5, that is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. But we will take not them as serially, but first we will talk about 45 degree. Suppose we will take a right triangle, say triangle OPM, whose angle M of P is equal to 45 degree. Since the sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree, therefore this another angle will also be equal to 45 degrees. We know in a triangle, if two angles are equal, their opposite sides are also equal. So T ratios of 45 degrees, T ratios of 45 degrees. Let in right triangle OMP, angle POM is equal to 45 degree. Therefore, angle OPM will also be equal to 45 degree. So that the sum of the three angles will be 180. Let OM is equal to PM is equal to say A or K or something else, or X or Y or whatever you like. So taking OM is equal to PM is equal to A. Suppose कोई length, A length, positive length, because sides opposite to equal angles in a triangle, they are equal. So जब हमें दो साइड्स तो मालूम पड़ गए A and A, now we will find the third side by Pythagoras theorem. Now OP square by Pythagoras theorem, OP square is equal to OM square plus PM square, OM square plus PM square, which is equal to OM square means A square, PM is given as A हो गया AC square, A square plus A square is 2A square. Taking square root on both sides, positive square root, because the sides of a triangle are always positive. So we will take only positive square root. So we will get OP, the length of OP will be equal to square, and this root will cancel out for this A square. So A, but this will remain root 2. So this third side will be A under root 2. So we got the three sides of this triangle. Now we can find the T ratios. Therefore, sine of 45 degree is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular is PM, hypotenuse is OP. So we get perpendicular A, hypotenuse A under root 2, cancel out A, we will get 1 by under root 2. Cos of 45 degree, that is base by hypotenuse, which is OM by OP. OM is equal to A and hypotenuse is equal to A under root 2. A and A will cancel out, we will get 1 by under root 2. Tan of 45 degree, tan means perpendicular by base, and perpendicular is PM and base is OM. So it is A by A. These two will cancel out, we get 1. So sin 45 1 by root 2, cos 45 1 by root 2 and tan 45 1. Now we will take their reciprocals. Say the reciprocal of tan is cot 45, and the reciprocal of this one is 1. If tan 45 is 1, then cot 45 is 1, because A by A, base by perpendicular. Similarly, the reciprocal of this cos 45 is sec 45. It is the value of cos 45 is 1 by root 2, taking the it is reciprocal, which is under root 2 by 1. We usually omit this one. We don't write this one, simply root 2, because this is hypotenuse by base. A root 2 by A cancel out, we get root 2. And the reciprocal of sine 45 is cosec 45 degree, which is hypotenuse by perpendicular. That is again A root 2 by A will cancel, is equal to under root 2. So these are the reciprocals of each other. So we got the T ratios of 45 degree. Next we will do these T ratios for 30 degree and 60 degrees. T ratios of 30 degree and 60 degree. We will take this simultaneously. Suppose ABC is an equilateral triangle. पहली बात तो ये ले लेंगे, A B C. Let A B C be an equilateral triangle, and we know that the each angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degree. So angle B will be 60 degree, angle C will be 60 degree, and angle A will be 60 degree. So angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 60 degree. Let us draw AM perpendicular on BC. Draw AM perpendicular on BC. Now we will prove that these two triangles are congruent. We see, therefore triangle AMB will be congruent to triangle AMC. Why? Because we see both are right triangles. Both are right triangles and their hypotenuse are equal, being a equilateral triangle. मान लेते हैं अगर ये साइड 2a है, ये साइड भी 2a ही होगा. So these two sides are equal and this is a common side. AM is a common side. So we say by RHS, right triangle, hypotenuse and one side of one triangle is equal to the right this hypotenuse, one side. So these two triangles are congruent by RHS criteria. Therefore जितना BM होगा उतना ही MC होगा by CPCT. BM is equal to MC. यानी जो हमारी ये इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल होती है, अगर हम इसमें परपेंडिकुलर डाल देते हैं किसी भी वर्टिकल से, that bisects the opposite side. And एक चीज तो ये, and angle BAM is equal to angle CAM. Angle BAM is equal to angle CAM. दोनों के लिए लिखेंगे हम CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles or corresponding parts in congruent triangles. ये क्या हमने प्रूव किया? Because we can write if this equilateral triangle has the side length equal to 2a, then we proved that BM is equal to MC, means side length will be for this triangle A, this BM is equal to A and MC is equal to A. And this 60 degree got half and half, means 30 degree and 30 degree. सबसे पहले ये चीज प्रूव करना पड़ेगा. So that is BM is equal to MC is equal to A. Angle BAM is equal to angle CAM is equal to 60 by 2 is equal to 30. So firstly we proved that in this right triangle AMB, one angle is 60, another is 30, and two sides are given. दिस साइड इज 2a एंड दिस साइड इज a. हम चूज कर लेंगे कि अगर ये राइट ट्रायंगल है, लेट ईच साइड इज 2a, ईच साइड इज इक्वल टू 2a. By Pythagoras theorem, in a right triangle AMB, BM square plus AM square is equal to AB square. Giving values, BM square तो ऐसे ही रहेगा, इसका BM का वैल्यू A आ गया हमारे पास, तो A स्क्वायर लिखेंगे. BM का वैल्यू है हमारे पास A, सो वी विल राइट A स्क्वायर. AM का वैल्यू दिया हुआ नहीं है तो हम लिखेंगे AM स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू AB. AB मीन्स 2A होल स्क्वायर, और AM स्क्वायर का वैल्यू आएगा AM स्क्वायर, यहां आएगा 2 2 4A स्क्वायर. A स्क्वायर को यहां ट्रांसफर कीजिए तो माइनस A स्क्वायर, दैट इज इक्वल टू 3A स्क्वायर. Taking positive square root because the side length of a triangle is always positive. तो अगर हम स्क्वायर रूट डालेंगे, स्क्वायर और रूट कैंसिल होगा तो am आएगा अंडर रूट 3a स्क्वायर. a स्क्वायर का रूट तो स्क्वायर रूट के साथ कैंसिल होगा तो यह आएगा a अंडर रूट 3. सो वी फाइंड दिस am is equal to a अंडर रूट 3, so that we can find now the T ratios of say 60 degree first or 30 degree first, say 30 degree first. Sine of 30 degree, sine of 30, let us consider in this triangle AMB and acute angle this 30. We say then this side is now base because this is adjacent to this angle 30. And this BM is perpendicular, it is opposite to this 30, and this is hypotenuse. So sine 30 is perpendicular by hypotenuse this time, but here perpendicular for this triangle and with this acute angle 30 is BM and hypotenuse is AB. So we get this is ABM and AB is equal to 2a. Cancel out this a and a, we get 1 by 2. So sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Now cos 30 degree is base by hypotenuse. Here base is this for this triangle, and for this angle AM is the base and AB is the hypotenuse. AM is base means a under root 3. AB is hypotenuse means 2a, cancel out a and a, we will get under root 3 by 2, and then tan 30 degree which is equal to perpendicular by base. Perpendicular is BM for 30 degree angle, the perpendicular is BM and the base is AM. So we say perpendicular is A and base is a under root 3, cancel out a, we get tan 30 is equal to 1 by under root 3. Taking the reciprocals of these, we get cot 30 against this tan 30. When tan 30 is 1 by root 3, cot 30 will be, it is reciprocal, that is under root 3 by 1. We omit this one, this is root 3. Then reciprocal of cos 30 is sec 30, and we can write 2 by under root 3. The reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 by under root 3. And the reciprocal of sin 30 is cosec 30, which can be written as 2 by 1 or simply 2. So these are the trigonometric ratios for 30 degree. Similarly, we can go from the same triangle, we can find the trigonometric ratios of 60 degree. Say sin 60 first. This time we are considering the acute angle 60 degree. When we consider this acute angle 60 degree, this BM will be the base, because the side adjacent to this 60 is BM, so it is base. The side against to this 60 degree is AM, so it is perpendicular, and AB is always the hypotenuse because the side opposite to 90 degree. So sin 60 is this time perpendicular by hypotenuse. Here perpendicular is this time AM, previously it was BM, this time it is AM, divided by hypotenuse which is AB. So we write the perpendicular is A under root 3 and the hypotenuse is 2A. Cancel out A and A, we get under root 3 divided by 2. Now cos 60, when we talk of cos 60, it is base by hypotenuse. For 60 degree, this BM is base, so we can write BM, and hypotenuse again AB. So base is A here and hypotenuse is 2A. Cancel out A, we will get 1 by 2. So we proved that cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2, and tan 60 degree is perpendicular by base. For angle 60 degree, AM is perpendicular and this BM is base. So we can write AM as A under root 3 and BM as A. Cancel out A, it is equal to under root 3. Then we will take the reciprocals in a short style. The reciprocal of tan is cot 60 degree, which will be equal to, if this is root 3, it is reciprocal is 1 by under root 3. And the reciprocal of cos 60 is sec 60, and the value of cos 60 was 1 by 2, the value of this reciprocal will be 2 by 1, that is 2. And similarly the reciprocal of sin 60 is cosec 60, cosec 60 degree. Value of the sin 60 was root 3 by 2, the value of the reciprocal will be 2 by under root 3. So these are the T ratios for 30 degree and 60 degree. Now we will see if we can find the T ratios of 0 degree and 90 degree. Now let us start finding T ratios of 0 degree and 90 degree. Firstly 0 degree, we see if we will take a line segment, say some OM, and we will take some angle first, say certain angle, an acute angle, and we will draw a perpendicular, say PM. Next we will try to make this angle smaller, say suppose smaller than previous angle, this will come up to the here. This angle, previously it was MOP, suppose this is MOP dash this time, and then we will go for another small angle, P double dash, मान लीजिए MOP double dash, which is much smaller than previous angle. One time we will reach 0 degree, means the OP and OM will coincide. This OP and OM will coincide, so that angle will be 0. When these will coincide, this height will become 0. The altitude of a triangle will become 0. That means PM side will become 0. And these two sides will coincide. When P will coincide with M, we will see that OP will be equal to OM. We will write this thing over here, but we will represent this 0 degree by here, some just like this. Suppose this is 0 degree, though we cannot make 0 degree like this, they will coincide, but we will write for simplicity, being a basic class of for this trigonometry, So we will take, consider this triangle with 0 degree. So we will take, suppose we showed that when P will come lower and lower, the angle will become smaller and smaller till this P coincides with M, so that angle will become 0, P OP will coincide OM. So we will write, say in right triangle OPM, we try to make angle OPM as small as possible, as small as possible, so that angle MOP will become 0 degree. By doing so, length of PM will be equal to 0. Length of PM will be 0. Length of PM will be 0, and OP will coincide. OP will coincide OM. Let OP is equal to OM is equal to A. मान लीजिए ये दो साइड आप सेम हो गया तो A, ये साइड 0 होगा. Therefore sin 0 degree जो आएगा, sin 0 degree, that will be perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is 0 by A, which is equal to 0. Cos of 0 degree, base by hypotenuse means A by A, which is equal to 1. Tan of 0 degree, which will be equal to perpendicular by base means 0 by A, which is again 0. Taking their reciprocals, say cot 0. Cot 0 means A by 0. We cannot divide by 0, this is undefined. So cot 0 is undefined. Then we can take sec 0. Sec 0 is hypotenuse by base, again A by A, which is equal to 1. And last one is cosec 0 degree, which is equal to A by 0, which is again undefined. Similarly, when we talk of 90 degree, we will do, वक्त की कमी की वजह से हम थोड़ा सा जल्दी में इस वक्त जा रहे हैं, क्योंकि 90 का तो कंप्लीट करना ही करना है, हो जाएगा ये थोड़ा सा टॉपिक कंप्लीट. मान लीजिए अगर हमारे पास ट्रायंगल है, राइट ट्रायंगल ओ पी एम, जबानी हम थोड़ा सा कर लेंगे कि अगर ये एंगल तो 90 है ही, अब हम ये एंगल 90 चाहते हैं. व्हेन दिस एंगल विल बी 90, तो एम विल कोइंसाइड विद ओ, ये एम आएगा इधर, क्योंकि परपेंडिकुलर ऐसे रहेगा. जाहिर सी बात है ये डिस्टेंस 0 बन जाएगी, ये दोनों बराबर होंगे. टेकिंग दीज साइड्स एज ए एंड ए, ये लिखना पड़ेगा कि व्हेन angle MOP will be 90 degree, this PM will coincide to OP, that will be equal to A, and length of OM will be 0. Therefore sin of 90 degree will be perpendicular by hypotenuse, which is equal to 1. Cos of 90 degree will be base by hypotenuse, which is equal to 0. Tan of 90 degree, which will be equal to perpendicular by base means 0 by A, which is undefined. And for cot 90 degree, we will take the reciprocal, which is 0 by A, which is equal to 0, and reciprocal of this is sec 90 degree, which is A by 0, again undefined, and reciprocal of sin is cosec 90, which is again A by A, is equal to 1. So these are some specific angles. Lastly, I will show a slight activity. Suppose we have 4 fingers and 1 thumb. Say when we face this our hand, this makes almost 0 degree, this makes 30 degree, this makes 60 degree, this makes 45 degree, this makes 60 degree, and this makes 90 degree. Consider 4 fingers. First 0 degree, we have no finger below this. इससे नीचे हमारे पास कोई फिंगर नहीं है, 0 fingers, और डिवाइड बाय 4 fingers. तो उसका मतलब है कि साइन 0 आएगा 0, अब 30 की बात करेंगे, साइन की बात, मैं सिर्फ साइन की बात कर रहा हूं इस बार। साइन 0 डिग्री तो 0 ही आएगा क्योंकि यहां कोई फिंगर है ही नहीं 0 डिग्री के नीचे, डिवाइड करेंगे 4 फिंगर्स। अब अगर cos 0 की बात हम कर लेते हैं, वो बाद में करेंगे, अभी चलेंगे हम साइन पर ही। साइन 30 डिग्री की बात पहले करेंगे। साइन 30 की डिग्री की बात करेंगे तो एक फिंगर नीचे आ जाती है और यहां रूट भी डालना होता है, रूट 0 इज अगेन 0। तो सबसे पहले रूट डालो, 30 के नीचे एक उंगली है और बाकी टोटल तो 4 फिंगर्स हैं, तो ये आएगा 1/2। और अगर हम tan 30 निकालना चाहते हैं, साइन 45 निकालना चाहते हैं, पहले साइन की बात ही कर लेंगे हम, पूरे साइन की। साइन 45 की बात करेंगे तो 2 यहां 2 उंगलियां आती हैं और टोटल तो 4 होती हैं, इनकी कसर काट लेंगे तो यह आएगा 1/√2। इसी तरीके से अगर हम साइन 60 की बात कर लेंगे, साइन 60, ये वाला साइन 60, 3 फिंगर्स यहां आती है, 1 2 एंड 3, तो टोटल फिंगर्स हमारे 4 हैं और रूट डाल दीजिए, एक आएगा √3 डिवाइड बाई 2। अब साइन 90 की बात हम कर लेंगे। साइन 90 में क्या कर लेते हैं, ये 90 है, 4 फिंगर्स हैं इसे नीचे, तो एक √ आएगा 4/4, 4/4 तो 1 होता है, √1 = 1। सो इन दिस वे जब साइन की मालूम होगा सबों का